Hi guys, welcome back to Life and Spice with Gifts. So on this episode, I'll be showing you guys how to prepare this yummy jollof rice. You can see me stirring in my pot. Are you ready? Let's jump right into it, guys. Okay. So first, I'm going to start by pouring some groundnut oil into my pot, and then I've added a little bit of salt and my grated onions, and then next I'm adding my tin tomato, and then I'm going to stir everything up nicely. I'm going to stir it up and make sure the entire tin tomato breaks, as in the clots. Okay, then next I'm adding my fresh tomato, not much of it, just a little, and then I'm going to be stirring everything up together. Mix it thoroughly until everything comes together. Okay, and then I'll allow that cook for a while, and then I'll be adding my curry, my all-purpose seasoning, my seasoning cubes, my thyme, and my soy sauce. Okay, and then I'm going to stir everything up nicely so that everything can mix up properly. Okay, we'll do the stirring for a bit. As you can see, my tomato is already beginning to burn, but that's not a problem since it's jollof rice. And then I'm adding more seasoning cubes to it, and then I'm also adding my bay leaves. Only God knows what this does, but I grew up seeing my mom use it, so I'm using it as well. Okay, so I'm going to stir everything up nicely, and then I'll be adding my meat stock. Yeah, this is actually cow meat stock though, but you can use whatever meat you want to use, be it chicken, turkey, goat meat, anything acceptable, but I'm using cow meat here. Okay, so I've added my meat stock, stirred everything up, and then I'm going to be adding my boiled water, boiled hot water. Always use boiled hot water for jollof rice. Okay, guys, now I'm adding my rice, my properly washed rice. I think I washed this rice up to 4 times. You have to wash it since you're not going to be parboiling, so wash it to remove all the dates. Okay, and after that I'm going to allow the rice cook. Next I'm going to fry my properly diced cow meat, allow it to fry until it's brown. Then I'm going to add my pepper mix, which is my tatashi and shombo roughly blended together, and then I'll add my soy sauce and allow everything to fry up. Okay, and then I'll do some stirring. I'm adding a seasoning cube, and then I'll stir everything up nicely so that it all comes together well. Okay, then I'm going to pour that into my already soft rice. Okay, the rice is soft, it's, should I say, it's done already. Okay, so I've added that, and then I'm going to stir everything up together. You can see that the jollof rice is already jollofing. Is already jollofing. The aroma, gosh, is already giving, and the taste is also very, very, very delicious. So guys, thank you so much. I hope you've seen that jollof rice is not that hard to prepare. If you be trying this recipe, let me know in the comment section. If you're new here, please do well to hit that subscribe button, and if you're an OG, you know we have massive love for you. Please turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our yummy recipes, and see you in our next delicious episode of Life and Spice with Gifts. Bye for now. Ta-da.
Bye.